Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at how to prep your image for engraving using a free program called Gimp. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, back in the program here. Now, in the previous few videos, we looked at prepping your image in Photoshop. Then I mentioned that we will also be looking at doing it in a free alternative program, which in this case will be Gimp. If you want to download it, you just head to gimp.org. It is 100% free. You don't need to give them any email, sign up, nothing like that. You just go download, save it, and install it. There is a lot of content online on learning how to use a program. I will not be covering that, but in many ways it is very similar to Photoshop. So now first thing you want to do, however, is open your image. I'm going to go File, Open, or you can just drag and drop it if you know where it's located. Put it in here, and then like in the previous video, I'm just going to quickly crop this so that we're only working with the actual engraving part of the image. Then once we have that done, I'm going to create a folder here on the bottom, or on the bottom of the layers panel. So I'll click a new group folder, move this image in there, and then what I want to do is change this image and remove its color. So I'm going to go here on top to color, use saturation, and then take the saturation level all the way down. Now it is black and white like before. Then next up, I want to duplicate this layer. As you guys can see, there's a little icon here with two little windows, you can say. It's for duplicating. The top one selected, we want to make the color mode, or the mode of the layer, and we want to change this to dodge. Previously it was color dodge, now it'll just be dodge. So we'll see we get a similar effect there. Then what we're going to do is go to color on top on our main menu again and say invert. So now as you can see, it looks very similar to what we had before in Photoshop. Like I said, the process is very similar, just a few differences. Then next up we want to go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Once again, just adjust this to the amount you like. These settings are more sensitive to Photoshop's though, so just keep that in mind. And you can fine adjust there till you have something you like. I think I'm gonna maybe make it about 2.14. Click OK, and then we want to make a new layer, which is here next to new groups as the first icon here, which is quite smart. Not sure why Photoshop puts everything the other way around. I find this actually more convenient for some reason. Then we want to go to our paintbrush, which is over here on our layers panel. Your program might look a bit different depending on your UI, but yeah, select your paintbrush. Like before, make sure your color is right. If for some reason it is black, you can simply just keep Control in and click anywhere where it's white, or click on that block, it's adjusted to white. Then like I mentioned before, reason why we're working on a new layer, a transparent one. So if we're by accidentally painting over an area we don't want gone, just go to our eraser tool, and then we can erase that out and have it fixed again. Then to adjust the actual paintbrush size and the process, I think we'll be covering in another video, seeing that this video is running a bit long now. But yeah, in the meanwhile, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and also you can isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the videos you're looking for, just go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, then we will try our best to make that video for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.